Are you eager to excel in online marketing? Today, we're delving into search engine marketing, often known as SEM. This strategy can significantly boost your business's visibility. Let's examine 14 crucial steps for mastering SEM in 2025. To start, what exactly is SEM? It involves a blend of paid advertising and SEO. With SEM, you can secure a top position in search results. Next, setting up ads on Google and Bing is essential. Create an account and initiate a new campaign. Choose your campaign type and establish a budget. Following that, utilize keyword research tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs are invaluable. They help you discover effective keywords for your ads. Crafting enticing advertisements is vital. Employ persuasive language and impactful calls to action. Also incorporate ad extensions for additional details. Afterward, we shift our focus to ROI. Intelligent bidding strategies can optimize returns. Consider options such as target CPA or target ROAS for improved performance. Maximizing conversions depends on excellent landing pages. Ensure they are user-friendly and align with your ads. Experiment with various designs for the best outcomes. Audience targeting is a key element. Leverage demographic data to connect with your ideal customers. Recent advancements in targeting make this simpler. Monitoring SEM success involves key metrics. Regularly track CTR, CPC, and conversion rates. Adjust your campaigns according to these observations. Next, streamline A/B testing. Experiment with different ads or landing pages for enhanced results. This method can greatly boost your performance. Compliance in SEM is essential. Stay informed about advertising regulations. This helps you avoid account suspensions and hefty fines. Automation will revolutionize SEM in 2025. Tools like Google Smart Campaigns can save time while improving results. Differentiate between SEM and SEO. SEM involves paid advertising, while SEO focuses on organic traffic. Both are crucial for achieving online success. Becoming an SEM and SEO expert can lead to earning opportunities. Enhance your skills and think about offering freelance services. Finally, starting your own SEM agency can be lucrative. Concentrate on cultivating a robust client base. Utilize AI tools to optimize processes and improve outcomes. In summary, mastering SEM demands a structured approach. From initiation to automation, each phase is significant. Are you prepared to elevate your SEM expertise? Begin applying these steps today for success in 2025. Are you excited to put these strategies into action? The path to mastering SEM is rewarding and vital for online growth. By following these steps, you will gain the competitive edge necessary to thrive in the current digital landscape. To maximize your success, remember that continuous learning is essential. Stay informed about emerging trends and advancements in SEM as the digital marketing world changes swiftly. Engage with online forums and communities to exchange ideas and experiences with fellow SEM professionals. As you navigate this journey, collaboration is equally important. Consider teaming up with other marketing experts or finding mentors who can provide valuable insights. This support will refine your strategies and accelerate your growth. Keep in mind that patience is a crucial factor in your SEM success. Building a strong online presence requires time and ongoing effort. Embrace the learning process and don't hesitate to try new ideas and techniques. Your flexibility will help you stand out in a competitive market. As you explore this dynamic field, also look into networking opportunities through events and workshops. These experiences not only broaden your understanding, but also connect you with potential clients and partners who share your passion for SEM. By actively participating, you will solidify your commitment to the craft and foster invaluable relationships that can elevate your career. In closing, remember that mastering search engine marketing encompasses more than simply following a checklist. It involves creativity, strategy, and continuous learning. By embracing the shifting nature of digital marketing, you will position yourself for lasting success in the SEM world. Don't hesitate to take the first step. Start today and set yourself on the path to becoming a standout SEM expert. Your journey in mastering SEM is not confined to a list. Rather, it's a blend of passion, strategy, and dedication that can truly reshape your career. As you actively implement these insights and adapt to the constantly changing landscape, you will organically enhance your skills and expertise, eventually becoming a leader in search engine marketing. Celebrate each milestone, seek constructive feedback, and continually refine your methods as you solidify your reputation and client base. With commitment and a proactive approach, your ambitions in SEM are not merely aspirations. They are attainable goals, and the future is bright for those willing to invest in their growth. Are you ready to elevate your SEM strategy? Keep in mind that every successful endeavor begins with a solid foundation. Dedicating time and effort to understanding both paid and organic search strategies is essential. As you put these tactics into practice, closely monitor your progress and be ready to make adjustments as needed. Each experiment will not only sharpen your skills, but will also deepen your understanding of the SEM landscape, ensuring you remain at the forefront. In your quest for excellence in SEM, embrace the concept that education is an ongoing journey. Continuous learning empowers you to adapt and sustain your competitive advantage. Your dedication to mastering search engine marketing will undoubtedly unlock exciting opportunities. As you navigate this thrilling journey, recognize that innovation and resilience are fundamental for long-term success. View every challenge as a chance for growth, and soon enough, you will be leading in the SEM field. As you pursue SEM mastery, it is important to acknowledge the rapidly evolving digital marketing environment. Fresh tools and technologies arise frequently, offering new methods to enhance your strategies. Embracing innovation allows you to leverage these advancements for superior targeting, improved ad placements, and better overall campaign performance. Regularly review industry updates. Doing so will keep you ahead of your competitors while attracting your desired audience. Consistent education through webinars, courses, or marketing blogs significantly contributes to your growth as an SEM professional. Each insight gained will refine your campaigns, making them increasingly relevant and impactful. As you connect with professionals and engage in online communities, share your knowledge and learn from others, establishing yourself as an important figure in the SEM world. Through focused efforts, the journey through 2025 and beyond will reveal rewarding opportunities in search engine marketing. In your pursuit of SEM excellence, do not overlook the value of analytics. Advanced analytics tools will help you track user behavior on your websites, providing insights into what works and what doesn't. Understanding your audience's journey allows you to fine-tune your targeting and messaging, resulting in increased engagement and conversion rates. Regularly analyze both quantitative and qualitative data. This balanced approach will help you create compelling user experiences that resonate with potential customers. Remember, every data point tells a story, and it is your responsibility to interpret it for optimizing your SEM strategies. As you hone your SEM skills, be willing to try various advertising formats, including display ads, video ads, and social media promotions. Each format offers unique benefits and can broaden your marketing approach while reaching a wider audience. Through testing, you'll find which platforms and types most resonate with your target demographics. Be mindful of emerging trends like voice search and AI-driven advertising, both of which are set to change how consumers interact with advertisements. Early adaptation to these trends places your campaigns as innovative and user-focused, yielding remarkable results. By maintaining a progressive mindset and being receptive to new ideas, you will ensure your campaigns stay fresh, while cultivating an environment in which creative strategies thrive. Always remember that SEM is a dynamic field. Thriving requires you to be responsive to change. Stay engaged with learning opportunities, remain curious, and seek resources that deepen your expertise. This commitment will empower you not only to partake in the SEM dialogue, but to lead it, establishing your reputation in this domain. As you explore SEM, integrating creativity into your strategies can make all the difference. Think creatively to develop unique campaigns that captivate your audience and resonate deeply. Combining engagement and information will help establish a strong connection with potential customers. Employ storytelling techniques within your ads to elicit emotions and inspire action. Additionally, use multimedia elements to create interactive and visually appealing advertisements that stand out. Assess the effects of each creative choice on your campaign performance, refining your approach based on your findings. Investing in creativity not only enhances your advertising success, but also differentiates you in the competitive digital marketing landscape. Every successful SEM strategy relies on having clear objectives and precise targeting. Begin by setting specific campaign goals, whether they involve increasing website traffic, driving sales, or generating leads. This focused intent allows for crafting tailored ads that resonate with your audience's needs. Segment your target audience by demographics, interests, and online behaviors to ensure your ads reach the appropriate people. With advances in data analytics, you can further refine your audience targeting, enhancing your campaign effectiveness. Remember, precise targeting maximizes your budget while building a more engaged audience. Regularly assess and adapt your strategies based on performance metrics to ensure alignment with your goals. While pursuing your SEM ambitions, never forget the importance of testing and optimization. Each campaign is an opportunity for growth and improvement. In your journey towards SEM excellence, prioritizing ethical practices is vital. Building trust with your audience fosters loyalty and long-term success. Complying with platform guidelines and respecting user privacy protects your account and enhances your brand's reputation. Transparency in your advertising builds credibility, making consumers more willing to engage with your content. Stay aware of industry standards to remain compliant with new regulations, ensuring your strategies are both effective and responsible. By integrating integrity into your SEM framework, you will cultivate a brand that resonates well and endures. Strong client relationships are critical as you grow your agency. Regular communication is key to meeting client needs and aligning expectations. Provide clear reporting demonstrating campaign performance, adjusting based on feedback and preferences. Remember that a personalized approach can significantly enhance client retention. Use client testimonials and case studies to showcase your agency's effectiveness, as social proof can attract new business. Celebrate milestones together, creating a partnership that extends beyond transactions. A strong client-agency relationship is essential for sustainable growth in your SEM pursuits. As you continue building your SEM journey, focus on integrating advanced tools into your operations. Emerging technologies, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, can automate tedious tasks, enabling you to focus on strategy and creativity. These tools also provide insights into consumer behavior, improving your targeting precision and overall campaign effectiveness. Make it a priority to stay updated on tech advancements that can streamline your processes and guide better decision-making, as they can greatly enhance your SEM strategies. Regularly engage with fellow industry professionals to keep your skills sharp and knowledge current. Collaboration can lead to fresh ideas and solutions. Attend industry conferences or local meetups to expand your network and learn from thought leaders. Adopting a mindset of continuous growth and improvement will help you remain competitive in an ever-changing landscape. Your commitment to leveraging technology, education, and collaboration will lead to greater success in your SEM endeavors, leaving a lasting impact in the digital marketing space. As you dive deeper into SEM, remember that measuring success is more than analyzing metrics. It involves grasping the narrative behind the data. Each metric offers a piece of the puzzle, revealing how audiences interact with your campaigns. Utilize insightful analytics to identify the strengths and weaknesses of your strategies, fostering meaningful progress. Keep refining your approach and recognize the power of informed decision-making. A strategic mindset will help you craft campaigns that not only meet but exceed your goals, solidifying your position in the SEM sphere. Mastering search engine marketing is a journey that enhances your skills and opens doors to exciting possibilities. By committing to ongoing improvement and innovative practices, you'll secure your spot at the forefront of the SEM industry. Step confidently into your future and embrace the adventure that awaits.